All right, we've removed the D. I hope you did well on it. Now it's time to remove the C tab. So, how do you remove it? Same thing as removing the D. You want to press the blue down. Again, you may find it better to lay the guitar down in your lap. Press the blue down. Put your finger under the hump that is there for the C, and then snatch it. Just literally snatch it out, and it'll pull out. Okay, so how do you make the C chord? You want to put your index finger, finger 1, first fret, second string. First fret, second string, which is your B string. Then you want to move your middle finger to the 4th string, 2nd fret. 4th string, 2nd fret, which is your D string. You see there's a little gap here that's designed to get your finger in the middle of there. Then you want your ring finger to be on the 5th string, 3rd fret. 5th string, 3rd fret, right under this hump, where that hump is right there. And you strum from 5 down. That's your C chord. So again, go back from the beginning and play all the songs again using your C chord that you're making on your own. So I just want to run through it to show you what it'll look like and sound like with this little light. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. See, this little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine, let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. Alrighty.